Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer your XRP from Robinhood. Good news! Robinhood now supports direct withdrawals of XRP to external wallets. This means you can send your XRP to another cryptocurrency exchange or a personal cold storage wallet. It's important to note that these transfers utilize the XRP ledger network and often require a specific destination tag for successful completion. Before you begin, you'll need to gather some crucial information from your receiving wallet. This includes your XRP wallet address and, if required, a destination tag or memo. Always confirm that your receiving wallet is compatible with the XRP ledger network. Double-check both the address and the tag for accuracy, as incorrect information could result in lost funds. To initiate the transfer, open your Robinhood app and go to your XRP position. Tap on the Send option. You will then paste the XRP wallet address you obtained from your receiving wallet. If your receiving wallet requires a destination tag, make sure to enter it accurately in the designated field. Choose the amount of XRP you wish to send. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transfer details. The amount of XRP, the recipient's address, and the destination tag. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction within the Robinhood app. XRP transfers on the XRP ledger network are generally very fast, often completing in just a few seconds to minutes. You can monitor the status in your Robinhood account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.